Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of fine point dry erase markers with a product that's been making waves.
The EXPO Low Odor Dry Erase Markers, Ultra Fine Tip. These markers are not just any markers. They're designed to bring vibrant colors and precise marking to your whiteboard experience. Whether you're in the classroom, office, or at home, these EXPO markers promise to deliver. Let's talk features.
First off, these markers come in a set of 8 assorted colors: black, red, blue, green, pink, purple, brown, and orange.
Each marker boasts an ultra-fine tip, which is perfect for those detailed tasks where precision matters most.
The ink is low odor, a big plus for anyone sensitive to strong scents.
It erases cleanly with an EXPO eraser or any dry cloth, making cleanup a breeze without leaving ghost marks.
Now, let's test these out.
The ink flows smoothly without smudging, and even after days on the board, it wipes away effortlessly. That's a sign of quality you want in your dry erase markers.
Whether you're brainstorming, teaching a lesson, or just jotting down reminders, these markers are a reliable companion. Sure, you can find cheaper options out there, but will they perform as well? With EXPO, you're investing in a brand known for excellence in dry erase technology.
In conclusion, if you're looking for the best ultra-fine dry erase markers on the market, look no further than EXPO. They combine precision, vibrant color options, and reliable performance into one neat package. That wraps up our review of the EXPO Low Odor Dry Erase Markers, Ultra Fine Tip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product reviews.
Thanks for watching Product Critique.